Hello, friends. How are you all today? I'm Jishnu. Okay, so today we have got a super gift from Figma. It is called Figma Jam. Okay, actually, it is a super gift from Figma, and it is in developing stage, and it is a beta version. So here we'll see the features of this one. So we'll just give an introduction. What is this Figma Jam and all? It is an, like here you see, it is an online whiteboard for teams to ideate and brainstorm together. So you will think what's the difference between this Figma and Figma Jam. So let's see, guys, what's the use of this Figma Jam and what's the magic of this Figma Jam. Let's see, guys. Okay, let's open Figma Jam here. Okay, I already have signed up because yeah, just yeah, yeah. So we have opened that. Okay, so here you can see the Figma Jam. It is totally different from the Figma and everything. Even if you see the file open options and all, they are only adding the things actually. They didn't have added these plugins and all here. They will add it later. Okay, so here it is a window of this Figma Jam. Okay, so let's see the magic of this one. You can easily create task flows easily, like in Figma you need to draw the arrows, you need to the place the arrows. It's an hectic process, but in this it's so smooth. Let's see how the task flow works. Okay, just putting the one sticky note here. Okay, and just giving some name happy, and I'm just sticking another note here called, you can give any name. Yeah, I'm just giving the name. Okay, so now we are going to connect this sticky note to this sticky note. Okay, let's see, this is a arrows connector. Okay, I'm just saying the arrow because you people need to understand easily. So just click on the connector and just drag this. Look, whatever size you want, whatever size, it will automatically changes according to the mouse pointer moves. See, it is changing. Look, here. Okay, so I am just connecting this connector to this sticky note. See the magic. I have connected the arrow easily. In Figma you have to take a lot of time to create this. You have to find this arrow and you have to bend this one, and it's time consuming process. Here it is so easy. Look, actually you can from here I am just creating. Look how it is turning. Look, it's turning automatically and connecting to the sticky note. It is so easy process here. And even you can see like lots of things are here. You have shapes, you have lots of shapes here. They have also included this round rectangle shape. Everything is here. It's so comfort. Look, so smooth itself. And even there is grid behind this one. Okay, so and even you can add text whatever you want. Just add text. You have stamps, you can add stamps that you wanted. Here you can see the stamps is just loading. My network is a little bit slow today. Yeah, it's loaded. Okay, so here you can see the smileys. You can just comment, like if you can add people's add you can add number of people to this according to the payment, I mean according to the subscription. Now there isn't any subscription, there is no anything now because it is in developing stage, and it is Figma Jam beta version. Okay, so here you can just come and if we have done a funny thing here, You can just comment easily, like what you do in WhatsApp, okay, or in Facebook. It's a live interaction using the smileys, okay. Just look, if I click, look, lots of smileys there. So beautiful. I loved it. It's so good. Even if the work is too good, and you can just, like, it's so awesome. You can just, like, you have lots of stamps here. You can, if you like these task flow things and all, just you can give a stamp. It's good, lovely thing. You have lots of things here. You have thumbs up, you have, like, this one, and you have lots of one star. Everything is there. And even you can insert image, okay, you can insert image, and everything. And the main thing is you have a marker in Figma Jam. You can choose color, you can choose brush thickness and everything. And they have only added the brush, and they didn't have added the more features for the brush, because it is, again I'm saying, it is a beta version. So just you can choose a marker and you can draw whatever you want. Look, I'm just drawing. Yeah, you can draw anything here easily. If you want to draw, you can, like, it's so good. Am I right? So many features will be added in future. Still now they have added the marker, I mean the pencil or whatever. It will be added later, okay. And the square, the shapes, different shapes, sticky notes, and the test, connector, library, stamp, place image. So far they have added this much features. In future we can see the lots of other features also. And here you can see forum for Figma, and you can just report the bugs, or if you need any plugins to be added to this Figma Jam, you can just comment on their forum. They are on beginning stage, so they are accepting lots of replies. They are giving reply to the questions and everything now, so you can join that also forum. And that's it, okay. And even you can just check on this. There are lots of other features also, like command feature is there, and even emote is there, cursor chat is there. Cursor chat means you can chat here, okay. It's an easy process, okay. And lots of things, they are on developing stage. Let's see the magic of this Figma Jam, okay. So today itself, just try to use this. It's so free, it is free one, and it's so beautiful, and it's a great gift from Figma. Just try today itself, okay. Thank you guys so much. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like, and share the love.